I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and a school situated in Gola Bazar. Today we have to learn exercise 3.3 that is given in your book on page number 42. On last day we have solved questions of exercise 3.2 that was given on page number 41. And in this topic we have subtract the numbers and write in columns and subtract, that was example 495 from 8695. Now come on exercise 3.3. Here you have to estimate the answer by rounding off the numbers and solve to check your answer. Okay, so first question is 45 minus 23. That is, you have to estimate the answer by rounding off numbers, solve to check your answer. Okay, that is 45 minus 23. 45 rounds up to 50 because 45 is between 40 and 50 but closer to 50. So it is rounds up to 50. And 23 is between 20 and 30 but closer to 20, so it is rounds down to 20. And now when we subtract 23 from 45, 5 minus 3 2 and 4 minus 2 2, that is 22. And when we round off 45, that is 50, and 23 rounds down to 20. 50 minus 20, that is 0 minus 0 0, and 5 minus 2 3. And the next is 83 minus 17. You know that 83 minus 17, we have to subtract 17 from 83. 7 can't be subtracted from 3, so it regroup 13 ones. So 13 ones minus 7 ones is equal to 6 ones, and 7 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 6 tens. That is, and 83 rounds down to 80 because 80 is between 80 and 90 but closer to 80, so it is rounds down to 80. And 17 rounds up to 20 because 17 is between 10 and 20 but closer to 20, so it rounds up to 20. 80 minus 20, that is 60. And now common question number third, that is 86 minus 55. 86 minus 55, firstly we have to subtract 55 from 86. 6 minus 5 1, and 8 minus 5 3. And 86 rounds up to 90 because 86 is between 80 and 90 but closer to 90, so it is rounds up to 90. And 55 is exactly between 50 and 60 but we have to rounds up to 60. But we have to, when a number is exactly between two tens, that we have, in this condition we have rounds up to more, rounds up to higher 10. Okay, so 55 rounds up to 60, and 90 minus 60 is 0 minus 0 0, and 9 minus 6 3 30. Okay, 90 minus 60, that is 30. Common question number 4, 56 minus 39. We can't subtract 9 from 6, so we have to regroup 6 from in 16 10 ones. 16 ones minus 9 ones, that is 7 ones. And now here will be 4 tens. 4 tens minus 3 tens, that is 1 10. And 56 rounds up to 60 because 56 is between 50 and 60 but closer to 60, so it is rounds up to 60. And 39 is between 30 and 40 but closer to 40, so it is rounds up to 40. And now 60 minus 40, that is 0 minus 0 0. 6 minus 4 2. 60 minus 40, that is 20. Common exercise 3.4. Solve this sums story sums. Okay, that is given in your book on page number, that is exercise 3.4. Solve these story sums. First question is, Sajid, a fruit seller, had 560 kg of apples. He sold 385 kg during the day, and how many apples are left with him? Sajid, a fruit seller, had 560 kg of apples. He sold 385 kg during the day, and how many apples are left with him? Okay, so firstly, apples with Sajid is 560 kg, and apples sold during the day is 385 kg, and apples left with him, that is 56 kg minus 385 kg. And when we subtract 385 from 560, that will be 0 minus 5. 5 can't be subtracted from 0, so it regroup to 10. ones. Okay, 0 regroup to 10 ones, and now 10 minus 5, 10 ones minus 5 ones is equal to 5 ones, and now that will be 5, and 8 can't be subtracted from 5, so it regroup 5, 15 tens, 15 tens minus 8 tens, that is 7 tens, and here will be 4 hundreds minus 300, that is 1. Okay, so that is 175. So apples left with him 560 kg minus 385 kg, that is 175 kg. So the answer is Sajid had 175 kg apples left. Okay, so the answer is Sajid has 175 kg apples left. Now come on next question, that is question number 2. A shopkeeper has 2645 trousers and shorts. If he has 1742 trousers, then how many shorts does he have? Okay, a shopkeeper has 2645 trousers and shirt. Both are 2645. And if he has 1745 42 trousers, how many shorts does he have? Okay, so firstly we have to write total number of cloths, that means trousers plus shorts, that is 2645, and total number of trousers is 1742, and total number of shorts will be 2645 minus 1742. 2645 is the total number of clothes, that means trousers plus shorts, and 1742 is the number of trousers. Okay, so total number of shorts is 2645 minus 1742. And when we subtract 1742 from 2645, that is 5 minus 2 3, and on tens place 4 minus 4 0, and on hundred place we can't subtract 7 from 6, so we have to regroup 6 into 16 hundreds, 16 thousands. Okay, so 16,000 minus 7,000, that is 9,000, and on 10,000 place there will be 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so the number of shorts is, total number of shorts is 2645 minus 1742, that is 903 shorts. Okay, so the total number of shorts is 903 shorts. So the answer is the shopkeeper has 903 shorts. The shopkeeper has 903 shorts. Come on next question, that is the cost of one ticket for the Republic Day. Question number third, that is given. The cost of one ticket for the Republic Day parade is rupees 175, and Amita gives at or rupees 2000 note to the ticket vendor for a ticket. And how much money will she get back? Once again, the question is the cost of one ticket for the Republic Day parade is rupees 175. Amita gives rupees rupees 2000 note to the ticket vendor for a ticket. How much money will she get back? Okay, so total money is 2000, and cost of one ticket, that is 175, and we have to find how much money will she get back. Okay, so we have to subtract 1175 from 2000. Okay, and when we subtract 175 from 2000, that is 10, 0 minus 5, we can't subtract 5 from 0, so we have to regroup 10 ones, 10 ones minus 5 ones, that is 5 1, and here will be 9 minus 7, that is 2, and here will be also 9, 9 minus 1 8, and 1 minus 0 1. Okay, so she will get back 1825. Okay, so the answer is 1825 will she get back. Okay, now come on question number 4. A school took 1064 students to watch the Republic Day parade. A school took 1064 students to watch the Republic Day parade. If 509 students were boys, how many students were girls? Okay, so total number of students is 1064, and number of boys is 509. Okay, so the number of girls will be 1064, that is total number of students, minus number of boys, that is 509. So number of girls is 1064 minus 509. Okay, so when we subtract 509 from 1064, 9 can't be subtracted from 4, so we have to regroup 4 into 14 ones, 14 ones minus 9 ones, that is 5 ones, and on tens place it will be 5, 5 minus 0 5, and that is 10 minus 5 5. So the number of girls is 555. So the answer is The number of girls is 555. Question number 5. Mr. Joshi ordered 7,649 chairs from a shop for the Republic Day parade. The shopkeeper could supply only 6,438 chairs. How many more chairs does Mr. Joshi need? Mr. Joshi ordered, question number 5. Mr. Joshi ordered 7,649 chairs from a shop from the Republic Day for the Republic Day parade. The shopkeeper could supply only 6,438 chairs. How many more chairs does Mr. Joshi need? Total ordered chairs 7,649 and shopkeeper could supply only 6,438 chairs. Okay, so you have to find how many more chairs need. Okay, so you have to subtract 6,438, that is shopkeeper could supply, and from 7,649, that is total ordered chair. 9 minus 8, when we subtract 6,438 from 7,649, 9 minus 8 1, and 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 6 1. Okay, so how many more chairs need? That is 1,211 chairs. Okay, so the answer is 1,211 chairs does Mr. Joshi need. Okay, now come on question number 6, that is Ramesh sold 4,932. Ramesh sold 4,932 tickets for the Republic Day parade. By 8 o'clock in the morning, 3,562 people had been seated as per his list. How many more people are expected? Okay, so total sold ticket, that has Ramesh sold 4,932 tickets. Okay, so people had been seated, and the people had been seated is 3,562. By 8 o'clock in the morning, people had been seated 3,562, and people that are expected is 4,932 minus 3,562. Okay, and when we subtract 4,932 is the total seat sold tickets and 3,562 is the people had been seated. So we have to find people that people are expected. So that is 4,932 minus 3,562. When we subtract 2 minus 2 0, and 6 can't be subtracted from 3, so 3 tens regroup 13 tens, so 13 tens minus 6 tens 7 tens, and here will be 8 minus 5 3, and 4 minus 3 1. Okay, so people that are expected, that is 1,370. Okay, so the answer is 1,370 more people are expected. Okay, now come on next question, that is last question also. 8,450 children are to perform at the Republic Day parade. 4,165 children are below the age of 15. How many children are above the age of 15? So total number of children is 8,450 children are to perform at the Republic Day parade, and 4,165 children are below the age of 15. How many children are above the age of 15? Okay, so total children is 8,450, and below the age of 15 is, the children that are below the age of 15 is 4,165. Okay, and we have to find above the age of 15, the number of children above the age of 15. Okay, so we have to subtract 4,165, that is below the age of 15. Number of children below the age of 15 is 4,165, subtracted from total number of children, that is 8,450. And when we subtract 4,165 from 8,450, 5 0 minus 5 can't be subtracted from 0, so 0 regroup to make 10 ones. Okay, so 10 ones minus 5 ones, that is 5 ones, and here will be 4, that is 14 tens. On regrouping, that will be 14 tens. 14 tens minus 6 tens, that is 8 tens, and 4 will be 3 hundreds. 300 minus 100 is equal to 200s, and on 1000 place 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so the number of children above the age of 15 is 4,285 children. Okay, so the answer is So the answer is 4285 children are above the age of 15. Thank you for watching the video.